This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox profile that owns Fortnite. This ensures Vbucks go to the right account. Once signed in, press the Xbox button and open Store. Do not launch Fortnite yet. You then reveal the gift card code and make sure your console region and account region match the card. Otherwise, the code will reject. Keep a pen and a clear view of the code so you can type without errors. You navigate to Store and choose Redeem. Type the 25-character code exactly, with hyphens if shown. If typing on the controller feels slow, use the Xbox mobile app to redeem faster, sign into the same Microsoft account, and paste the code. Once accepted, watch for the confirmation message that shows the balance applied. If the store asks to switch payment method, ignore. The gift credit will appear as account funds linked to Xbox purchases. You open Fortnite, go to the Vbucks purchase screen, and choose the pack size you want. When prompted to pay, select Use Account Balance or Microsoft Account Funds so the redeemed gift covers the purchase. Confirm the transaction and your Vbucks will appear in-game, usually instantly. If the balance does not show, close Fortnite fully, sign out of Xbox, sign back in, and relaunch. That refresh often solves syncing issues. If problems persist, contact Xbox support with the card code ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.